going on? It's your boy Big John's Woolly House. Taking fat mama up to the bed. I think it's time. Like I stated previously, in the last video I uploaded, they said she has one puppy inside of her. So, go up here and find out. Fingers crossed. Everything goes good, even if it is just one puppy. Fingers crossed, man. Healthy pup, good surgery. Everything goes how it should. That's what we're worried about. And that's all at the end of the day, that's all I care about. I want my female to be okay, and I want the pup to be okay. At the end of the day, I don't care if it's a male or female pup. A big litter would have been nice, but it is what it is. I mean, a healthy pup is a healthy pup. So I'm taking big girl up here now. As soon as we get the procedure done, I'll show you guys the pup, and then straight back to work. Sleepless nights with her and the puppy, plus dog food and dog treats, the business. Yeah, man, I haven't really slept at all anyway, so add another thing to the list. But as soon as we get this procedure done. One boy, 1.3 ounces. This time, placenta. Brought that home. She cleans that up. This too is for mothers, first-time mothers, going to, anesthesia, obviously. Don't know what's going on when they wake up, freak out. It's just something good to do, man. I made sure this time, especially this is her second litter. First litter, I should have done it. Hey, relax. She's still a little woozy and everything, so actually laying with her. Man, it's gonna be a long few weeks. So, but the boy is blue tri, visible tan points. Capone is a ghost tri. Blanca is fawn and white. Looks like he's gonna be a big old boy. So huge shout out to all the subscribers, new and old, like, shares, comments, followers, all the love that we get and continue to get, man. Gonna be busy. So huge shout out to you guys, man, for all the love and support. As always, take care, God bless, stay safe, we love y'all, man, keep rocking with us.